I'm the founder of Stevie Safe Streets. So we started this. This will be our third Pride. We're not actually that old. I would send shirts to anybody on TikTok who had their PO box in their bio. And then last summer, we decided to kind of go a little bit bigger. So I asked a bunch of friends who I know are fans of Jay the Tenant if they wanted to write letters. So we included a whole bunch of fan mail. We included one of each of our designs. And then we woke up one morning and our inbox was full of orders and we didn't really know where they were coming. And someone sent me a screenshot of Georgia Tennant's story. It was wild. It allowed me to do some product development, though. I ended up commissioning a lot of trans artists. I was able to give a lot of mutual aid. I feel really, really blessed. So I'm a gender doula. What that means is I support people on their transgender journeys. So I support doing legal, medical, and social transition. A lot of folks cannot access medical transition. So social transition is something that I really wanted to make accessible for people. So I did a whole bunch of research on brands that offer products for social transition, like binders and packing supplies and breast forms, things like that. But I wondered if there was anything that I could do, the people that I work with, to make things more accessible. So I reached out to brands and asked for discount codes. urBasics is one of the people that rose to the occasion. And honestly, it's just been a love since then. I love everything you stand for. I like the content that you guys put out. It's all educational, informative. It's not just about selling a product. It's a lot more. Firstly, that you're not doing this alone, that you're fighting alongside a whole bunch of other people that are fighting alongside you. Stay focused, build your community, rely on your neighbors, and remember that a lot of our communication is not secure, and make sure that you build your community close to home.